let's see what we have next. And it says some sort of expansion module, so yeah, I believe it would be something. This is my favorite LED matrix, I would say, from the size of it. Yep, and it's quite awesome, and I believe it's just over $7. And the best thing about them is you can cascade, and you have got the Arduino library for it, so it's very easy to program. And I have also got a couple of more, and I think they are still in transit. So yeah, let's have a good look. The color is red because that one was the cheapest, and I just wanted to try some experiments, so I didn't go for any fancy colors in here. So just got like these pins, and these are already cascaded. No, yeah, I can see the connections over here through the PCB, or I can simply break them if I want one of it. So this says in, this says out. So just connect the Arduino from this side and keep connecting the other modules from this side. And yeah, I'll soon make a project on this and see how it works. So yeah, more videos coming for this one. Yeah, another module, exactly the same. I've got 2 in here, and I have like 8 more coming, so I have totally ordered like 10 of these. So you want to make one long strip of messages connected to the IoT. And yeah, this is the display, TFT display. And here you can see the specs of this device. This display device is like 1.3 inches in 240 by 240 IPS screen, and it has the SPI communication. So yeah, I believe there's a Arduino library for it, and you can have a good look on the colors it has. So yeah, you can make a very fancy display, like if you want to make a power meter with all the voltages and currents and wattages and energy and the time the device has been running, everything like that. So it's a pretty cheap, and yeah, let's have a good look. On the pictures it looks a bit bigger, but it's really small. It will do fine for the small projects. So yeah, so this is just the comparison, and let's have a look on the pinouts. And you can see the ground, VCC, SCL, SDA. I believe this is I2C, because that one is simpler than the SPI. So I have yet to check it. See what's inside. And this is similar packaging, and yeah, this is good. So 4 of these are all the same, and let's open one of it. And you see This one is ESP32. Here you can see the AliExpress page for it, and this is just an amazing board. It's very cheap, and it has got the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, got the dual core processor, so it's super fast. And yeah, I haven't had any experience with this board, but like I'll be trying it very soon, how this one works. So yeah, another nice addition to the Arduino, because this is the Arduino compatible, and yeah, it has got a lot of things on it. You can just type in the ESP32. It has got two versions basically. The other version is cheaper than this one, and that has the different board on it. But this one I liked it because it has the both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth just on the board, so you no need to add any other things. Great for IoT projects and some communication related projects. So on the back side, just have a plain board. So basically it's a system on chip, so everything is just inside this one. You can also buy this module like without any breakout board, like this is a breakout board for this one, with all the power regulator and the pinouts soldered and everything. You can just grab one of this, and if I can zoom in, you can see the numbers on the device like that. So yeah, very simply made, and like everything just on the chip, nothing much visible on it. And yeah, it just I can see one thing over here. So you see this resistor, or it's a capacitor, like I don't know if it is connected deliberately like that or it's just disconnected. It seems to be connected, so yeah, yet to be tested. This is a really bad way to connect the SMD components because they are so delicate. And yeah, let me check another one. Oh yeah, it's just the way it is. Well, this one also has the same. Yeah, I can see it from here. And yeah, like every board has the same little capacitor, or is it a resistor? I don't know. The gray ones are like mostly the capacitors. So yeah, this was the ESP32. MOS module. So let's see what's inside. Lot of things over here. I was waiting for this package for very long. So the first one is this one. Yeah, this is I believe the Hall sensor. So this is just the Hall sensor, and it has got like A0, D0 and GND and VCC. So two outputs, one digital and one analog. It is using LM393 IC, and it has got two outputs. One is the analog and another one is the digital output. So yeah, normally you can just plug in your 5 volts and yeah, let's see how this works in the future. So I just ordered 3 of those. Let me double check it. Yeah, 3 of those. So let's see what's inside. So here, this is number 1, the Hall sensor, and this is not the Hall sensor, and this is again the Hall sensor, and yeah, this is the, I believe, third one. Yeah, all of 3 Hall sensors. And this is another good thing, which is high power Mosfet. So you know the Mosfets, they can handle quite a huge power. So here we have it. Yeah, so 2 Mosfets, you got the input and you got the output, and here you got the trigger pin and the ground pin. This is super awesome because and this is super cheap. So I got 5 pieces for like $5, and this can handle current of here you can see over the web page, so like a 15 amps or 400 watts. So this is huge. So instead of purchasing any motor module like the PW module or DC speed controller, if you have got the Arduino Nano or any microcontroller you want to play with, you can just plug in the this PWM pin, and yeah, this will start acting like a very good power controller circuit. You can also, maybe you want to try a inverter circuit, or like the 15 amps is a good current. So yeah, I liked it because it's very cheap, and sometimes you want to handle a lot of power just with the microcontroller boards. So I got 5 boards, 5 modules, so essentially it's like $1 each. Awesome. I'll just the name is not very descriptive. Let's see which module is this one. Okay, so these are some very interesting things. Like with the filament, not the LED. This is with the filament. You can see the little filament inside. So it runs on the 12 volts, and it was very cheap, 20 pieces. So it's just like $2 or $3. So let's try it, how this works, and how much bright it is. I got this 12 volt boost and power circuit over here, and yeah, see, yeah, in camera it's like a huge exposure, but you can see the filament. It has got decent light. It's not so bright. It has got the decent light over here. This is what you should expect, just for the indicator, some sort of indicator, and yeah, not so much of light. Yeah, next pack, which is also a very small one, and this says this is an IC module. So let's see which IC it is. Oh, this is super awesome. And yeah, I believe this one is the Nano with embedded NRF module. So yeah, if you have a very compact project and you don't wanna connect the NRF module separately, then this is a thing for you. Yeah, it has got this 80 mega 328 chip with a reset button, couple of LEDs, and the next IC you see over here is the NRF module. So if you just want to do the communication between these two boards, just plug it in, and yeah, between the PC and the microcontroller, or PC and the Arduino, I think this is the best choice. Otherwise, this is a SPI interface, the NRF one, and you need a lot of wires over there, and yeah, maybe for some portable projects, for the experimentation, this one is super awesome. So I got the pair, and the other one is here, and the pair is here are the specs of from the website. This package looks big, and I believe this is also the Arduino. Yeah, but the size of it. So this is the Arduino Mega, but like it's a bit different. So let me open it up like this, and caution, electrostatic sensitive. Yeah, this is so good looking board. So this is all famous 80 mega 16U 2560, right? Everything is just as you would see in the Arduino Mega, but like it has one additional thing over here, and that is this Wi-Fi, right? So yeah, so there are these versions for ESP32 which have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module things like integrated, but like for Arduino I found this one and wanted to give it a try, and for some IoT projects. And yeah, it is like a very good quality, and yeah, looks like awesome. This I believe is the Wi-Fi chip over here, and a couple of preset buttons over here, right? And yeah, we'll discuss more about it in some future video. So let's see the next package. These are the simple Crocodile Clips. Fair quality, and just yeah, take it out. And just pair of those. And the next one we have awesome. We have these germanium diodes. Let me pick one of these. There's no number on the device itself, just a black sign for the cathode, and the other side must be the anode. Germanium diodes, they have the low cutoff voltage, so there are some low voltage projects and that might require these diodes. So it's just I think the whole lot, which is like 50 pieces, and here is the web page. Integrated circuits. Nothing written on the top. It's got these connections. This is the ESP Programmer. Number 1, and here we have Bluetooth audio receiver, and you can see that it has a mic on it. I bought 2 of them, and let's open this up. So this is the audio receiver. The USB connection, SD card, and yeah, just got these switches. And the interesting thing is it has also got this transmission, right? The USB receivers are very common, but this one is got this mic over here, so it can listen and transmit to your Bluetooth device. So it's also a transmitter. It has got this IR sensor port over here, and then the speaker, I believe. Yeah, obviously it is a low power amplifier, so you would be needing a high power amplifier for, you know, proper sound. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll make a project, then we'll discuss how this thing works. Yeah, all good. And the good thing is I also got this mic over here. And then I have another Bluetooth module. Smaller than the previous one, and it has also a built-in mic, right, the microphone, and it has got only one switch, and this one is the auxiliary port, and then you have the earphones, right? And yeah, this one is also capable of transmitting the sound or any signal that you put in here. It's got this USB port, and yeah, it's just the one switch. We have some connections over here, and yeah, I'll have to, it's quite new, so from 2020, and yeah, we'll have to see what these pins are for. Awesome. Bluetooth audio receivers and transmitters come very cheap these days. So I got two of these. And this one, I believe, is the humidity sensor. On the back side, yeah, you can see the two signs, humidity and the temperature sensor, and it supports two-wire communication, which is I2C, and I believe we have got these two addresses over here, like the I2C addresses. So one sensor should be on 0x39 and other one should be at 38. So maybe for the future IoT projects for the home, smart home or something. And lastly, in this package we have this